Hi again! So, ito, another video. Diniretso ko na, katulad ng intro ko kanina. So, ito yung notebook. And then, the first here is the name. And then, ito may sagot na ako. Ayan. Hindi naman maintindihan yung sulat ko dun. So, ang mga nakalagay dito is, this year, I long to become, tapos susundan mo siya. And then yung next one is, I am reminding myself to be. And then yung the third one is, I believe that by the end of this journal. So, ganun siya. So, ngayon, siguro sagutin ko na lang yung, this year, I long to be. So, baka pwede pa itong buong tatlo. Diba? So, this year, I long to be, this year, I long to become. Siguro, wala namang perfect mother. Pero I am a mom na kasi. So, this year, nanganak ako via cesarean. So, first time mom din. And it really, parang in a snap, ang dami mo talagang mangyayari. Kung parang normal naman yung life. Tapos biglang ka-baby. And then, oh my God, ang daming adjustment. So, siguro, hindi siya perfect. Pero, I wanted to become a loving mother, di ba? Kay baby Zeke. So, and hopefully, nilagay ko rin kasi dito, maging peaceful na yung life ko. So, with no problem with finances, ganyan. So far naman kahit paano, I'm still blessed. Sabi nga natin, every day is a blessing. And pag titignan mo yung life is, mas marami pa naman talaga. Ay, kumbaga parang, mas blessed ka in a way. So, gusto ko mas maging blessed pa ako para mas ma-share ko yung blessing ko with others. So, ganun. Siguro yun yung pinaka this year ko talaga. So, this year kung kailangan ko mag-help ng, hindi naman, alam mo yun, hindi naman yung parang kailangan mong i-video or i-broadcast yung tulong mo. But, still, I wanted it make it personal na makatulong ako in any way. Diba? In monetary, in personal. So, gusto ko makatulong pa ako na makatulong. So, I wanted to be financially stable talaga para mas makatulong pa tayo. So, ngayon yung next one naman, next question is, hindi naman siya question it's a praise that you have to continue. Kumbaga parang sasagutin mo nga siya. So, I am reminding myself to be. So, this time, siguro maging solution-oriented and maging less emotional, maging strong pa. So, I think naman yung self ko is strong enough for the everyday living of my life, no? Pero, siguro mas maging solution-oriented ako rather than emotional, yung pinaiiral ko. Kasi, of course, babae, ayun nga, kakapanganak, medyo emotional pa tayo. So, ayun. And next one is, I believe by the end of this journal, so, maybe, kasi magiging, hopefully, magawa ko to, no? Matuloy-tuloy ko siya, na makumpleto natin yung buong journal. So, I believe that by the end of this journal, makumpleto ko talaga to. So, yun nga, marami kang ma-realize na, nakumpleto mo yung journal. So, marami ako ibig sabihin na share, marami akong natutunan along the way. You can comment, guys, dun sa video na to. So, para at least, diba, you can also answer yung tatlong phrases, which is, this year, I long to be. So, magkakaroon tayo ng parang journal, YouTube journal. So, this year, This year, I long to become. And then, I am reminding myself to be. And I believe by the end of this journal, so siguro i-comment down the section nyo. And I'll try to answer these comments, no? Regardless kung ano yan. So, I hope I can answer all these comments, diba? So, ayun, hindi rin ako masyadong mag-e-edit dito sa mga videos ko kasi I don't have time and hindi rin naman ako ganun ka-skill na mag-edit ng video. So, siguro, tawag dito, dire-diretso lang to. So, kung may may kailangan i-edit or kailangan maalisin, sabihin, iulitin ko na lang. Or kung hindi naman, dira-diretso tayo. So, ayun. So, next ulit. And then, the next page ngayon yung aabangan natin naman. And the next video is, mamaya baka kaya ko pa naman. So, let's talk about who you are. Do you really know yourself? And then the next is, how is your physical health? How is your mental health? So, this is 3 questions that I need to answer in the next video. Abangan natin. Bye!